So in this video we will talk about the 1-bit comparator. 1-bit comparator. 1-bit comparator. So the most easiest 1-bit comparator is the XOR gate. The most easiest 1-bit comparator is the XOR gate. So the symbol of XOR gate is like this. So this A and B are the two inputs and Y is the output, and the truth table of XOR gate is like this. So when both the inputs are same, then the output is 0. When both the inputs are same, then the output is 0. So Y is the output of the XOR gate. So when both A and B are same, then the output of XOR gate is 0. So when A and B are different, then the output of the XOR gate is 1. So if we have the output, so when we have the output of the XOR gate is 1, then we know that A and B both are different. And when the output of the XOR gate is 0, then both A and B are same. So A equal to B when Y is 0 and A is not equal to B when Y is equal to 1. The output is the Y is the output. So when A is not equal to B, then Y is equal to 1. So this is the most simplest 1-bit comparator where we can design the comparator using one XOR gate only. So this is the XOR gate symbol. Now if there is one more gate called as XNOR gate. The XNOR gate symbol is like this. The XNOR gate. The XNOR gate symbol is like this. There is a bubble at the output and it is connected to Y. So for XNOR gate the table is different. For XNOR gate the output is 1 when both are same. For XNOR gate the output is 1 when both are same, and when both are different the output is 0. So when A is equal to B, then output is equal to 1, and when A is not equal to B, then output is equal to 0. So this is the XNOR gate, which is opposite of the XOR gate. And the logic of the XOR gate is like this. Y equal to A bar B plus AB bar. And for XNOR gate, the logic is Y equal to A bar B bar plus AB. This is the logic for XOR gate and this is the logic for XNOR gate. And if we denote it by Z, then Y bar is equal to Z. So if you invert XOR gate, you will get XNOR gate. Invert XOR gate, then the output will be XNOR gate. And similarly, if we invert XNOR gate, if we invert the output of XNOR gate, then Z bar is equal to Y. So if you invert output of XNOR gate, then you will get XOR gate. So both these gates are like this. So if Y is the output of XOR gate and Z is the output of XNOR gate, so Y bar is equal to Z and Z bar is equal to Y. This we can check from the truth table of this also, that if you invert this, then you will get XOR gate. If you invert XOR gate, then you will get XNOR gate. So basically XOR gate is used as the 1-bit comparator.